Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze, and we're going to explain guys if your front door guys does not open from outside. Doesn't matter if it's the driver's side or passenger side, but if you try to open the door and you pull the door handle but the door does not open, we'll explain guys what can go wrong. Probably 8 out of 10 times will be that reason, and if not guys, we'll explain what else it could be. Quick introduction, we guys have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop. We do all that guys because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need any tools or any parts guys to fix your car or any car guys, check out that link below. We'll have the link listed in the description of the video below guys, and you can get parts for really good price and super quick shipping as well. So let me explain guys what is number one reason for Chevy Cruze front door not to open from outside. Let's say guys you pull the door handle and the door does not open. There is guys a simple solution to that, but what you need to do, you need to remove the door panel. If you want to see how to do that, video guys and everything will be on the channel from start to finish, so check it out guys, everything will be listed there. So give me just a second to position the camera in the door so I can guys show you here now a few things. I just need to get a little bit more light so I can explain what we'll be working on. So looking now guys at the door right there, this is guys your door mechanism on the inside. Now what is happening right here guys, reason number one, that clip right here, that clip right there will be open guys, and what will happen if it's open, this is the one actually guys that pulls, let me just see if I can put the light in here so you can see a little bit better. This clip guys is the one that holds the rod for the exterior door handle. So if I pull the door handle open, check out what's going to happen now. It's because guys, let me just focus on that orange thing. It's because of that clip being open or broken. Now if you guys position the rod and you go ahead and close it or replace it with a new one if yours is broken, now what is going to happen? When I pull, it actually moves the door lock actuator and it opens the door. So this one will be reason number one guys for a door not to open from the outside. Number two guys, if everything's connected, your door handle mechanism is working, because it could be that the connecting that rod actually fell off the top right there, but in our case it was from the bottom. You can see it was from the bottom, but it could be from the top as well guys. And number two guys, it could be a mechanism or loose on top. And number three guys, bad door lock actuator. We have the video on the channel that explains how to replace that one as well. So this is it guys, pretty much. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.